Welcome back, everybody. Today I went out searching on the internet for some help with this photo etch, and I'm going to turn it around and show you what I'm talking about, but I learned something today. Maybe. We'll see. Okay, today I went out looking about how to repair this center thingy-majod here, there where all the radio equipment goes that I broke. And the first thing it suggested was replacing CA glue with Sigamo Ultra Glue. And so I took their advice and I started by gluing this top leg on with Ultra Glue, and it's in my jig I set up to hold it in place, and hopefully it's square. And I kept fucking with it earlier and it kept breaking again, and so I'm just leave it. My saying now is leave it. Get away from it. Just get away from it. Let it dry. And so that's the problem I had to do, because this is going to take all night to glue, to harden. So hopefully that gets done. Next thing I'm going to do is try to put this big piece on. That goes in here like that, as you can see, that big piece there. And then I'll go from there. But I'm gonna have to build a jig for that too, to hold it in place while it dries. And that's my new strategy now. So this rebuilding this part may take me a month. I mean, as long as I'm not dying next month, who cares, right? All right, later, bye.